Hello guys, today I'll show you how to check a MOSFET package type debug. You can clearly see that the faulty one in diode mode shows 0.000, so we can cross this one out. The good one actually shows about 0.43. Let's also check the values on the PCB itself before we start soldering the good debug. Okay, let's start soldering. Now we can clean everything up. And let's check the values one more time in diode mode. The PCB readings look perfectly fine. Guys, if you like this type of video, please subscribe and share. Take care, and see you next time. See ya!